How to add or remove C translation options on Instagram bio. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add or remove the C translation option on your Instagram bio. It's pretty simple, so let's get right into it. The very first thing that you will have to do is head over to your Instagram. And as you can see here, I've gone on my profile right here. So as you can see, there is my bio that says hey, and there is no C translation option, which is because my bio is already on English and Instagram does not translate English to any other languages. But if you write something else on other language, then Instagram will automatically add the C original or the C translation option on your Instagram bio. So let's try doing that. So I'm going to change my bio to something else. So I've changed my bio. I'm going to log into my other account to see how it looks. So here I have logged into my other account, and as you can see here it says C translation. So I've changed my bio into Japanese, and it shows the translation. And if you want to see the original, it will show you see original button. You just click on it and it will translate for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.